I have spent totally 7 days in Koh Samui, which is one of the most expensive places in Thailand. And traveling to Koh Samui is not that easy. You will have to travel to Bangkok, and from Bangkok you will have to take another flight to Koh Samui, or else you can travel to Krabi, and from Krabi you will have to take another flight, which is more expensive. But the other way is that you will have to travel to Krabi or Suratani. From Suratani you will have to take a ferry to Koh Samui, which is the most economical way. And that's how exactly I've traveled to Koh Samui. Then I spent a day in Krabi. I took the flight from Bangalore to Krabi, which is about 3 hours 50 minutes. And after that, I took the bus from Krabi to Suratani. And from Suratani, I took the high-speed ferry, which reaches to Koh Samui in 40 minutes. It's again, like total 6 hours journey from Krabi to Koh Samui. Koh Samui is a different place that you will see it in Thailand altogether. It's a tropical island where you will see full of mountains and the beaches everywhere, and the climate is something like you will never know when it will rain. The ideal time to visit Koh Samui is something like from December to February, where you will see a little bit of people in Koh Samui, but again it's one of the peak seasons, and it's again more expensive at that particular time. The first thing that you will have to do it in Koh Samui once you stepped in, taking a bike or car for a rent. But I would suggest taking a bike is much more cheaper and more economical way to travel in Koh Samui. So when you're traveling with a family, I would suggest taking a car would be best option. I have took both bike and car for a rent. In order to get this, you will have to have this international driving permit, where it is available on some of the portals or the agencies. In this video, you will not be watching some of the popularized places in Koh Samui, but at the same time I've been to some of the random places in Koh Samui, which is again absolutely beautiful. Traveling in the roads of Koh Samui is like a perfect blend of coastal and the mountain sceneries, and that will be remembered for a lifetime experience. There are n number of tiny waterfalls in Koh Samui, and I have been to this Numang waterfall, which is located in the southern part of Koh Samui. There is a parking facility where you can park your bike and car, and you will have to walk little bit into the forest. This is one of the go-to place when you are in Koh Samui, and where you can spend at least 2 hours like getting into the water, or you can buy some souvenirs out there. Next we are heading to this Latko viewpoint, which is located in the eastern part of Koh Samui, and in order to get close to the water you will have to walk a little bit down. Luckily it was not raining on the particular day, so I was able to get closer to the water. The view from this part of island is something like it is fascinating to watch. As we are in the eastern part of Koh Samui, we should be able to witness the sunrise from this location. So ideally I would suggest you to come in the early mornings here and spend some time. Next I have stopped in the Coral Beach, which is again located in the eastern part of Koh Samui, and spent some time like children's playing with the sand and getting into the water.